Hello everyone, my name is Sona from Sikkim and currently I'm working as a teacher in South Point English School, South Sikkim. And I'm going to tell you that for me classes of 21st century Chinese teaching were very much helpful as I am fresher in teaching. I came to know how to handle classroom and make our class and lesson very much interesting, and I came to know the students' real reliability factors, method of reflection, and so on. And I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for the great training sessions you have provided. Your expertise and knowledge of the subject matters has been invaluable in helping me to understand and apply what I have learned. Thank you.